We are tracking Tropical Storm Alberto on this soggy Wednesday night in Austin. That said, the center of circulation, this storm is hundreds of miles to our south. It's going to make landfall in Mexico. Big changes. The latest advisory, winds up from 40 to 50 miles per hour, now gusting up to 65. Pressure has fallen from 995 millibars down to 993. All of that is to say, yeah, the storm's starting to strengthen a little bit, and it could strengthen just a little bit more before making landfall. It's just hours away, likely to make landfall pre-dawn early tomorrow morning near Tampico, which is right here in Mexico. It's going to be pushing westward. Once it does so, it is expected to fall apart. There's lots of mountains here. It's not going to have the warm Gulf of Mexico to help it out. So this is going to dissipate either tomorrow or tomorrow night. The biggest impacts are happening right now. Flood watches through much of the area 2 hours south. We do have one flood advisory that encompasses 3 counties. Tropical storm warnings up and down the Texas coastline, and even a tornado watch. There have been numerous tornado warnings, mainly down toward Aransas, Rockport areas. We're at 74 to 75 degrees. Our high today of 83, the coolest since May 16th. Right now, the only advisory is a flood advisory. I don't even have any lightning showing up on our lightning tracker. That's how nice this rain is. It's gentle rain at times, enough to use those windshield wipers a little bit more, but I do have to say, I don't think we're used to the rain. Please use caution if you're out on the roads. I saw 2 wrecks at 2 different spots tonight. Please be careful. All right, so right now we've got the flood advisory in effect until 1 a.m., mostly looking at minor flooding for portions of Bastrop, Lee, and Fayette counties. Specifically, look at southeastern Lee County, 3 to 4+ inches of rain indicated from radar. At the same time, you head to Austin and we've seen a solid inch of rain. Really great. Out to the hill country, well, almost a ½ an inch in Fredericksburg, less than 1/10 of an inch though in Mason. Next 24 hours, we're going to watch the rain push into the hill country. You could still see some decent rainfall totals out in the western hill country where you need it the most. Cloudy skies to partly cloudy skies when you wake up in the morning. Look for some additional scattered pop-up showers. We'll go with a 40% chance, the best potential late afternoon into the early evening. And then on Friday, we may see one more little bit of some additional showers popping up. Some locations could pick up another 1/4 to ½ an inch out of that. But for the most part, what happens tonight is going to be the lion's share of our rain out of this system. Summer arrives tomorrow, 91 degrees. We warm things up and dry things out as we head into the weekend.